Yeah, Rose. Demons in my head. La la ooh. Whispers in the dark, they got me losing sleep. Demons in my head, telling me I'm weak. Every step I take, feeling heavy, like a lead. Voices saying, you won't make it. Go ahead and dread. But I rise from the ashes, ain't gonna let them win. Hope's the only light that's shining from within. I'm dodging all the shadows, facing all my fears. Turn the pain to power, let it drown in my tears. Demons in my head, but I won't back down. I'm fighting for my dreams, won't let them take my crown. Tell me that I can't, watch me turn around. I'm the voice of my hope, hear the thunder sound. Every doubt a storm, but I navigate the rain. Heart of a lion can't be tamed by the pain. Climbing higher mountains, won't you see me scar? Got fire in my soul, can't ignore the roar. So I write these lines like a battle cry. For the dreamers and the fighters, hold on to fly. The demons may talk, but I'm louder in my head. Words like armor, shield me from the dread. Bridge. And when night falls, I still shine bright. In the silence, I'll find my light. These demons won't cage me. They're just a test. With every heartbeat, I'll fight for the best. Demons in my head, but I'm rising up strong. 'Cause they can't define me. I've been right all along. So I'll take the shadows, I'll turn them into grace. Standing tall in the truth, can't nobody take my space.